Example 2. The frequency table shows the number of hours that students in your grade spent on homework last week. Display the data in a histogram and then describe the shape of the histogram. So for example, keep in mind a frequency table over here. 5 students spent between 0 and 1 hour on homework versus like 20 students spent between 4 to 5 hours on homework. We have to put this in a histogram. Keep in mind, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. So number of hours, I'm going to have 0 to 1, 2 to 3, 4 to 5. Try to be as neat as possible. And then make sure you label that this is number of hours. Otherwise, I don't know what it represents. And then frequency, it looks like we have to get up to 25. So I'm once again going to count by 5s. And make sure you label that that is a frequency, which means how many. 5 students, 25 students, 20 students, it's how many. Then we're going to draw our bars, make sure they touch. So 0 to 1 was 5. And then 25. And then 20. Usually when I do this, if I'm doing it with a pencil, I try to use different shading. That way you can see distinctly the differences between the bars. 18, 12, 6, and 2. So there's our histogram, and then it says to describe the shape of the distribution. If I'm taking a look at this one, it looks like it has a tail over here on the right. So this one is skewed right, which tells me not a lot of students are spending the upper hours on their homework.